Dear students, let's start the new topic, that is geometric progression. So, what is the difference between arithmetic progression and geometric progression? Once you observe the arithmetic progression definition, list of the numbers obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding number except to first number. This is a definition of AP. Then what is the definition of GP? Same list of the numbers obtained by multiplying a fixed number to preceding number except to first number. So here multiplying a fixed number is called GP, adding a fixed number is called a AP. Let's see some examples. In the first example, first term is 2, second term is 4. So here what is the difference? 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So here to get the every term we are adding a fixed number to the preceding. Coming to second example, here 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. So here we multiplied in a fixed number to get the next number. So it is an example for geometry progression and it is an example for the arithmetic progression. So in the arithmetic progression, first term is denoting with A. So here the first term is 2 and common difference D equals to A2 minus A1. So it is equals to 4 minus 2, 2. So in the same way, let's see the GP. In the GP, same first term is denoting with 2 and here common ratio is denoting with small r. So the common ratio formula is A2 by A1. So here A2 value 4 and A1 value is 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it is equals to 2. So here first term, here also same first term. Here D is a common difference. Here R is a common ratio. Next coming to general form. For the general form of AP, A is the first term, A plus D second term, A plus 2D third term, A plus 3D fourth term, dash. Similarly, in the GP, first term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cube, fifth term is AR to the power of 4, dash. Why? Because here as per the definition of a GP, every term will get by multiplying the fixed number. That is why A, AR, AR square, AR cube, AR to the power of 4, dash. It is a general form of a geometry progression. So we have one more general form for the GP. So that is A by R cube, comma, A by R square, comma, A by R, comma, A, AR, AR square, dash. It is also a general form of a geometry progression. So this general form have to use in the particular questions. So I will explain what are those questions. Okay. So in our textbook he gave the common ratio formula very clearly. AN by AN minus 1. AN by AN minus 1 is called a common ratio. It is denoting with a small r. So AN by AN minus 1 means here A2 by A1, A3 by A2, A4 by A3, dash. Okay. So let's do this bit. Okay. Find which of the following are not GPs. Which of the following are not GPs? So first question, 6, 12, 24, 48, dash. So to verify whether this list of the numbers forms on GP or not, what we have to do, same like a arithmetic progression, first we have to find out the ratios. Okay, So what is the first ratio? A2 by A1 is the first ratio. What is the A2 value? 12 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are, so 2 is the answer. Second ratio A3 by A2. So what is the A3 value? 24 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12 twos are 24. Next third ratio A3 divided by A4. A3 value 48, A4 value 24. 24 ones are 24 twos are, it is 2. In the three cases we got the same answer. So that means the given list of the numbers forms on GP. So here you should write the conclusion. So therefore given list of numbers have same ratio. So therefore given list of numbers are in geometry progression. Next second question, 1, 4, 9, 16 dash. So let's find out the ratios. So the first ratio is A2 by A1. It is equals to 4 by 1. 4 by 1 answer 4. Second ratio A3 by A2. 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 simplification. 9 by 4 itself. Next third ratio A4 by A3. So A4 is 16. A3 is 9. So they will not come in any table. So here ratio answers are completely different. Okay. So then given list of numbers are not in geometry progression because they don't have common ratio. So this is a conclusion you have to write. Next third question, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1 dash. So same, find out the ratios. So observe carefully here. First ratio is A2 by A1. A2 value minus 1, A1 value 1. Minus 1 by 1, answer is minus 1. Second ratio A3 by A2. A3 value 1 and A2 value minus 1. 1 by minus 1, answer is minus 1. Third ratio A4 by A3. So A4 value minus 1, A3 value 1. Minus 1 by 1, answer is minus 1. In the three cases we got same answer. Okay. So then the given list of the numbers are in the GP. So don't forget to write the conclusion. So you write the conclusion. Next to fourth question, minus 4, minus 20, minus 100, minus 500 dash. So here let's find out the ratios. So the first ratio is A2 by A1. So A2 value minus 20 by minus 4. See here minus minus cancel, 4 ones are 4 5s are, it is equals to 5. Next to second ratio A3 by A2. A3 is minus 100, A2 is minus 20. So minus minus cancel, 0 0 cancel, 2 ones are 2 5s are, it is equals to 5. Next to third ratio A4 by A3. So A4 is minus 500 and A3 is minus 100. Minus minus cancel, 100 ones are 100 5s are 500. So in the three cases we got same ratio answer. So then the conclusion is the given list of the numbers are in GP because they have a same ratio. So out of these four questions, only second question is not in the GP. So remaining three are in the GP. So next, think, discuss problem. So here in the think, discuss problem, first question is, explain why each of the lists above is GP. Explain why each of the lists above is a GP. Where is the list? Once you observe it carefully. So here these are the list. First one 1, 4, 16, 64, 256 dash. Second list 550, 605, 665.5. So next, third list is 256, 128, 64, 32 dash. Next, fourth one is 18, 16.2, 14.58, 13.122. So these are the problems, 4 problems, homework for today. So just you write the list and verify whether they are in the GP or not. So first question will be over. Next, second question is, what is the second question? To know about GP, what is the minimum information that we need? To know about a GP, what is the minimum information that we need? You tell me what is the minimum information required to know about the GP. Generally, to start the GP, we need a first term. To continue the GP, we need a common ratio. So without knowing these two values, you cannot form the geometry progression. So the minimum information is first term, that is A, common ratio, that is small r. So this is the answer you write in your notebook. Okay. So after this think, discuss bit, we have example 16. Okay. Next example 17, example 18, example 19. So I will explain example 19. Then you will be perfect in the introduction of geometry progression. So example 19 is, which of the following list of the numbers forms on GP? So same like a previous do this bit. In that, which of the following are not in GP? Here, which of the following list of the numbers forms a GP? So process is same. I think first two questions are looking like very easy. So I will explain the third problem. Okay. See, first we have to find out the ratios now. So ratios, first ratio A2 by A1. What is the A2 value? 1 by 32 divided by 1 by 64. See here, division of two fractions. One is 1 by 32, another one is 1 by 64. So how to simplify? 1 by 32, and this denominator fraction will become reverse. So 64 by 1. Then instead of division, into symbol will come. Okay. So now 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are 64. So then overall answer is 2. So the first ratio answer is 2. Let's find out the second ratio. What is that? A3 divided by A2. What is the A3 value? 1 by 8 divided by A2 value 1 by 32. So same like a previous 1 by 8, the 1 by 32 will become 32 by 1. So 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. So answer is 4. So here what happened? The two ratios answers are not equal. Am I right? A3 by A2. So the two ratios are not equal. So then what is the conclusion here? We can write C. So the given list of the numbers does not form GP. After this example problem, coming to exercise 6.4, here first bit all are word problems. Second bit, here third bit, which of the following are GP? If they are in GP, write next 3 terms. Okay, which of the following are GP? If they are in GP, then write next 3 terms. Okay, see, I am explaining same type of questions in this class. Understand? Here in the third bit, observe carefully. I will explain the difficult questions. So first one is very simple. Second one fractional related. Just now I was explained. Okay. Third one. Let's do the third one. So first of all, I am going to verify whether this list of numbers forms on GP or not. So first ratio is A2 divided by A1. What is the A2 value? 55 by 5. So 55 by 5 answer is how much? 5 ones are 5 11s are. So 11 is the answer. Next second ratio A3 divided by A2. What is the A3 value? 555 divided by 55. See here 5 11s are 5 111s are. So now 11 table, 11 ones are 11, 11 tens are 110, 1 reminder. So here take the point 0, but 10 is not coming in 11 table. So take 0. So finally it is a 100. So now 100 in 11 table, 9s are 11 9s are 99. So what is the answer here? 10.09. Okay. So here A2 by A1 is not equals to A3 by A2. So therefore the given list of numbers are not in geometry progression. If they are not in GP, then how will you write the next three terms? So we cannot write it. So answer is completed. Next fourth question is very easy. Fifth question same like a second one. Yeah, sixth question. I will explain sixth one. So first I am going to find out the first ratio A2 by A1. So here what is the A2 value? Minus 3 square. Minus 3 square. Okay. Divided by A1 value 3 by 3. See here square is only for 3, not for minus. So observe carefully. Here for example he gave like this. What is the meaning of that? Minus 3 into minus 3. Because square for minus and for 3, that is why minus 3 into minus 3. Okay. See here minus 3 into 3 divided by 3. Here 3 cancel. So what is the answer? Minus 3. Next second ratio A3 divided by A2. So what is the A3 value? 3 cube is the A3 value. Okay. 3 cube. So 3 cube divided by A2 value how much? Minus 3 square. Minus 3 square. It is equals to 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3 divided by minus 3 into 3. So here 3, 3. Here one more 3 cancel. So 3 by minus 1. So what is the 3 by minus 1 answer? Minus 3. So we got same answer at two places. So definitely the given list of the numbers are in the geometry progression. So if they are in GP, write next three terms. So let's write next three terms. So to write the next three terms, we need A value, first term, and common ratio. First term, what is the first term here? 3 is a first term. And what is a common ratio? Here in the two cases we got the same answer, na? That is called a common ratio. So that is minus 3. So A value 3 and R value minus 3. So using these two values, let's write the next three terms. So here how many terms are given? A1, A2, A3. Only 3 terms are given. Na? Next A4, A5 and A6. Yeah, how to find out the A4? As per the definition of the geometry progression, each term obtained by multiplying the preceding term. So what is the preceding term? A3. Multiply with the fixed number, that is R. So here what is the A3 value? 3 cube is the A3 value. Okay. Into what is the R value? Common ratio, that is minus 3. So it is equals to minus 3 to the power of 4, minus 3 to the power of 4. Next to A5. A5 means preceding term A4 multiply with fixed number, that is R. So A4 value already we found, that is minus 3 to the power of 4. See, observe carefully, power 4 is only for 3, not for minus, into common ratio. So what is a common ratio? Minus 3 is a common ratio. Okay. So here minus into minus plus 3 into 3 to the power of 4 is 3 to the power of 5. Next to A6, sixth term. A6 equals to A5 into R. What is the A5? 3 to the power of 5 into R value minus 3. It is equals to minus, here don't put the bracket, 3 to the power of 6. So these are the next 3 terms. So here you write the heading, next 3 terms are. So next 7th one is very easy. Okay. Next 8th one, I will explain 8th problem. 1 by root 2 comma minus 2 comma 4 root 2 dash. So first ratio is A2 by A1. So what is the A2 value here? A2 value is minus 2. Okay. What is the A1 value? 1 by root 2 is a A1 value. 1 by root 2. Okay. It is equals to, see here, minus 2 divided by 1 by root 2. So minus 2 into root 2 by 1. So then it is equals to minus 2 root 2. So the first ratio is minus 2 root 2. Let's find out the second ratio, A3 by A2. What is the A3 value? So here A3 value 4 root 2. 4 root 2 divided by, so what is a A2 value? Minus 2. Okay. Minus 2. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 root 2 divided by minus 1. 2 root 2 divided by minus 1 is minus 2 root 2. So in the two cases we got the same answer. So the conclusion is, given list of numbers are in geometry progression. If they are in the geometry progression, let's find out the next 3 terms. So to find out the next 3 terms, we need A value. So that is 1 by root 2 and common ratio, that is R. What is R value here? Minus 2 root 2. Okay. So here how many terms are given? 3 terms are given. Na? So next 3 terms means A4, A5 and A6. So here A4 equals to previous term A3 multiply with the common ratio. A3 is 4 root 2 and common ratio is minus 2 root 2. So 4 root 2 into minus 2 root 2. So here 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Root 2 into root 2 is root 2 square. So it is equals to minus 8 into square root cancel 2. Minus 8 into 2 is minus 16. Next term is A5. A5 equals to A4 into common ratio. What is the A4 value? Just now we found minus 16 into ratio 2 root 2. Sorry, here common ratio is minus 2 root 2 na? So minus 2 root 2. Now see, minus 16 into minus 2 is 32 and root 2. So A5 is 32 root 2. Next term A6. A6 means A5 into R. A5 value 32 root 2 and R value minus 2 root 2. So now 32 into minus 2 is minus 64 and root 2 into root 2 is root 2 square. Square root cancel, minus 64 into 2, it is equals to minus 128. So these are the 3 terms. Next last question, ninth one, 0.4 comma 0.04 comma 0.004 dash. So first ratio A2 by A1. So what is the A2 value here? A2 value is 0.04, 0.04 divided by, what is the A1 value here? 0.4 is a A1 value. Okay, so 0.4 is a A1 value. See how I am simplifying, observe carefully. 0.04 means 4 divided by 100, convert into fraction form, divided by 0.4 means 4 divided by 10. Now it is a division of two fractions, na? So it is equals to 4 by 100 into 10 by 4. Here 4 cancel, 10 ones are 10 tens are, so it is equals to 1 by 10. So first ratio is 1 by 10. Next second ratio, what is that second ratio? A3 divided by A2. So A3 equals to, so what is the A3 value here? 0.004 is the A3 value. Okay, so 0.004 divided by, what is the A2 value? 0.04. So 0.04, it is equals to 4 divided by 1000 by 4 divided by 100, it is equals to 4 by 1000 into 100 by 4. 4 cancel, 100 ones are 100 tens are, so it is equals to 1 by 10. So we got the same ratio answer in two situations. So given list of numbers are in geometry progression. Next three terms. So next three terms are, see what are the next three terms? So here how many terms are given? 3 terms are given. So next 3 terms means A4, A5, A6. But to write these 3, we need A value and R value. Na? So here A value is 0.4 and R value is how much? 1 by 10. So A4 equals to A3 into R. What is the A3 value? 0.004 into 1 by 10. Okay. So do you remember one shortcut method? When a number divided by 10, 100, 1000 dash, then the decimal point will move to right side. Okay. So then here what is answer? 0.0004. So next one A5. So A5 equals to A4 into R. So A4 is what? 0.0004 into 1 by 10. It is equals to 0.00004. Next A6 equals to A5 into R. So A5 0.00004 into 1 by 10. It is equals to 0.00004. So these are the next 3 terms. So today the homework problems are in the 4th bit. First question homework, second question homework. Okay. Next sorry, this is another exercise bit. Yeah, here exercise 6.4. Okay, exercise 6.4, third bit na. So third bit, first problem, second problem, fourth, fifth, seventh, 1 2 3 4 5 problems homework in this bit. Along these 5 problems, I already given some more problems at the beginning. So what are they? Yeah, here explain why each of the list above is GP. Okay, so these are the homework problems for today. Thank you.